Welcome to my vlog. I'm Shalini Ilayo, Customs Administration student. Rules of origin and its importance in the world trade. Rules of origin is important in the world trade because it acts as a criteria for determining the source of the product, and it aims for the harmonization of non-preferential rules of origin. It also helps to have transparent and uniform standard in the world trade. Of course, the main purpose of this is to help in determining the amount of customs duties and taxes to apply on goods. Free trade agreements and its importance to the Philippines. Trade is an important component of the country's economy. When we say free trade agreement, it is a negotiations between two or more countries. FTA is mainly designed to reduce or eliminate certain barriers such as eliminating tariff, quotas, subsidies, and import and export restriction. It also helps to relieve the domestic shortages of goods and also provides opportunities for the consumers to import and use varieties of products, and also helps for the enlargement of our market since it gives strong inducement to raise productions and investment. It also helps to facilitate stronger trade and commercial ties between two participating countries. Trade remedy measures, anti-dumping, countervailing, and safeguard measure. There are three trade remedy measures: the anti-dumping measure, countervailing measure, and the safeguard measure. So what is anti-dumping measure? Anti-dumping measure, or the Republic Act 8752, otherwise known as the Anti-Dumping Act 1999, it provides protection to a domestic industry which is being injured or is likely to be injured by the dumping of products imported or sold into the Philippines. So when there is a form of discrimination where the exporter sells his product at a lower price than the product produced domestically, then the anti-dumping measure can be applied. Next is the countervailing measure. It is a measure imposed on a product which is granted directly or indirectly by the government of the country of export of any kind of a specific subsidy. When we say subsidy, it refers to any specific assistance such as financial contribution or price support schemes provided by the government of country of export in respect of the product imported into the Philippines. Lastly is the safeguard measure, or the Republic Act 8800, is an emergency relief provided to a domestic industry producing like or directly competitive product which was seriously injured due to a sudden and sharp increase in a volume of imports. General interpretative rules on commodity classification and its importance. General rules of interpretation is very necessary to determine or identify the classification that applies to the product that are being imported or exported through a country's border. It is important in order to collect the proper duties and taxes, and of course, having proper product classification is part of legal responsibility. And this is the end of my vlog. I hope that you learned something new today.